Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make this simple and easy Dollar Tree photo frame shadow box. Without further ado, let's get right into this video. So guys, you need cardstock for this. To make the flowers, you need 2 frames from Dollar Tree, which you're going to glue together. Also, you need a scissors, you need pencil, you need glue, you need tape if you wish to use tape. So guys, before you glue the frames together, you need to ensure that you take out those little small hooks before you glue them together. That's the one that you're going to place at the front. That's the one you need to take out. So that's all I am doing here. So right here, all you have to do is to glue them together, and here you have it. It's attached already. Also, I forgot to let you know that you only need 1 glass for this project. So right now I'm just going to make the flowers. I'm just gonna make one on camera, show you guys, and then I make the rest off camera. So guys, I made a similar greeting cards for this shadow box, and I will place that link in the description box for you guys if you haven't seen it before. Also, I will show a little clip in this video as well. So the wedding theme colors were mostly bright colors, and one of the main color were orange, so I figured out I could match orange and pink. So this is what the layout look like after I'm done, and I'm just going to cut this with my scissors, cut along the lines, and then you will get your spiral flower. So as I mentioned before in the greeting card video that I posted earlier in this year, that I made the greeting cards and this shadow box for one of my family member co-workers wedding, and I had this video for a while. It was done in 2021 summer, but I didn't get the chance to edit it. So now I get the chance. I ensure that I put it out there for you guys to see it, because I have a bunch of video piling up, just making videos and not editing. So that's the reason why sometimes the videos catch up on me and I have to post them late. So forgive me for being so late. Guys, also a reminder, remember freebies are available in the description box down below as well. Also, I still have the giveaway going on, so you also can check out that link in the description box as well for the information. So guys, there you have it. All you're gonna do now is to hold the edge and roll it together. So if you're still watching this video, that means you're really interested in it. Leave a comment down below. Also leave a comment down below and let me know where you're watching from, so I can know my visitors, my viewers, you know how it goes sometimes. So now I'm done rolling the flower, and I'm going to add some glue to the bottom of it so that it can stick together and hold firmly. So right there, these are the remaining flowers that I made off camera. As I said earlier in this video, I will make the remaining off camera so that I don't take up a lot of time on camera and make the video go longer. So here you have it, and here is a close-up view of what they looks like. So this is the back portion of the frame, and here you have it, my artwork. I just glued this onto it, then I added my flowers in place. So right here I'm just adding them in the place where I would want them to be. Not necessarily they will be there, but that's just an idea of what they will look like after they're done. So for the middle part of this card, what I did was to add a picture and congratulations Mr. and Mrs. in there, and just put some decorations around it and print it out on my printer. So right here I'm just gluing the flowers in place, and as you all can see, some of them could not hold. I think I went a little overboard with the size of the flowers. I think I should have made them more smaller because it could not really perfectly fit inside of the shadow box, if you all know what I mean. The flowers were really poking out the back portion, so be careful with that when you are doing them. Make sure you make the flowers really slim. So guys, here is a small clip of the greeting cards that I made. So as you can see, the colors are similar. I think I did pretty good with the matching because the coworker really likes it. Also, this is my first time making a shadow box. So I went ahead and add some diamonds around the shadow box edges. As you all can see, I'm showing you guys here. I add them off camera. Again, I did not want the video to be too long, so that's the reason for adding them. So if you want to make it more fancy, you can do the same, or you can add different things to it that you find in your stash. So right here I'm just putting the back of the frame on. As you can see, it was a bit too much, but anyways, it worked out. So here you have it, the finished product. Simple and easy, as I mentioned before. The only thing take a lot of time was making the flowers. So if you don't have a machine to help you with it, a circuit or any other machine to make the flowers, it's gonna be time consuming. So yes guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe, and tell your friends and loved ones about Wada's Creations YouTube channel. I have a lot more fancy and exciting stuff coming for you guys, so continue to watch, continue to support, and leave a comment down below. You can also try out this video and let me know how it goes, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace, I'm out.